friends, welcome to day 97 daily current affairs. Today first news is peaceful polling in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, Assam and Bengal. At 71.79%, the turnout in Tamil Nadu was lowest. The Election Commission of India said polling in the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry assembly elections and voting in phase 3 of Assam and West Bengal elections on Tuesday went off peacefully and under COVID-19 protocols with the turnout ranging from 71 to 79% as of 7 pm. Justice Ramana will be the next CGI, Chief Justice of India, after Sharad Bobde. President Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday appointed Justice N.V. Ramana as the 48th Chief Justice of India with effect from April 24. Born into a family of agriculturists in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, Chief Justice of India designate Justice Ramana has adorned many hats from student leader working for farmers and industrial workers to journalist for a leading Telugu newspaper to a first generation lawyer. He was Additional Advocate General for Andhra Pradesh before being called to the State High Court bench in 2001. No move to vaccinate all adults now, Health Ministry. We cannot ramp up process suddenly, says Secretary. Delhi declares night curfew till April 30. The Delhi government has imposed a night curfew from 10 pm to 5 am in the city from April 6 to April 30 with an exception for emergency activities and services according to an official order. Talks begin to revive Iran nuclear deal. Washington says it expects the discussions to be difficult. Tehran rejects direct negotiations. These are today's daily news and current affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thank you.